Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Ratna. Hope you're doing great. It's officially summer here. So here is a cool and refreshing Sharjah shake to kickstart summer. To a blender, first we will add 3/4 cup frozen milk and then a banana followed by 1 tablespoon sugar and finally a tablespoon boost. Now we can blend them well and transfer it to a glass. We can garnish it with some peanuts and a cherry. It's very filling and I hope you'll make it. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel updates, press the bell icon. See you again in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.